How to fix attachment not showing on Outlook. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix that issue. So let's just jump right in. So right here, I've opened my Outlook mail. And if you are not able to see any attachments that you're getting on your mail, there might be a few problems with your settings. So to fix that, go to the file option at the top left and then go to options at the left side on the screen. This pop-up will appear on your screen. From here, you're just going to have to head over to the mail section. Make sure that on the compose messages, it's set to HTML and not any other options. Scroll down and you're going to have to do the same thing for this one right here, where it says the tracking option, and right below that you have message format. If this is set to any other here except HTML format, make sure to select this option right here. Now, after done that, click on OK and you're good to go. But if that doesn't fix the issue, there might be another reason why that is happening. So go back to options, head over to Trust Center, go to Trust Center settings, and then on the left side you'll find the attachment handling. Head over there and make sure that this option is turned off. So when it is turned on, it will turn off the attachment preview and you won't be able to see any attachments on your mails. So turn this one off, click on OK, and click on OK again, and you're good to go. Now you should be able to see all of the attachments on your mail, and I hope this was helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.